What if your keyboard wasn't just for typing, but actually the remote control for your entire desk? The Corsair Galleon 100SD is a genuine 2-in-1. It's a high-end mechanical board and a full Elgato Stream Deck merged into a single unit. They actually built 12 tiny LCD screens and 2 physical dials right into the frame to fast-track your entire workflow. After using it myself, the biggest win is the software. It's actually so easy to use that I've been able to build custom shortcuts for my entire process in minutes, making everything I do feel way faster. Plus, with 6 layers of internal padding, it sounds deep and premium. The one downside is I'm not exactly sure about the keyboard feel, but this keyboard truly gives you the capability to completely customize your workflow.